Everybody wants to talk about reliability on a BMW, and there's a lot of factors that play into a reliable BMW. One being how well the car was maintained prior to you owning it. If you did a pre-purchase inspection, so that way you can see all what's wrong with the BMW up front. There are truly great BMWs out there that are very reliable. Different engines that fell into those different models have more reliable parts versus others. It's just how it was engineered. So if you have a N54, N54s have a lot more parts that are engineered that have failed, which BMW has addressed through TSB recalls and stuff like that. So they have helped fix those issues that came up. But what about after all that stuff is said and done and there's a bunch of other stuff that fails on your car? BMWs are expensive to maintain, there's no doubt about that. And when I say expensive to maintain, I mean labor costs. So just to replace a simple $30 gasket, let's say on the oil filter housing, can be $500 in labor. The reason is just how it's just engineered and all the parts that you have to take off, that's where the labor cost is. And with most dealerships charging $125 to $175 an hour, that's where those costs definitely add up to. My car is a 2008 BMW 335i with the N54. I bought it with 92,000 miles on it. It currently has 156,000 miles on it. Now, over my 5 years of total ownership costs, I have spent $6,800. So my car has been outside of that spectrum as far as the TSBs that BMW has came out with, or it has checked off that it was good at that time and they checked it, but then the parts later failed. So the flip side is why I do this channel is to help you guys save money. So I have done nothing but all my DIYs on this car, and I have uploaded every single video to this channel. I have over 250 documented DIYs for you guys, and I have saved $12,000 in labor costs alone. So I've never taken it to a dealership, and I've never taken it to an indie shop to be repaired whatsoever. Everything is here on this channel, and I'll share the DIY playlist right up here above. Check that out. So I'm very happy to share that stuff along because that's why I do this channel, guys. I try to save you guys money as much as I can to help you out with that ownership because, you know, let's face it, if you need to replace a part, I'm here to help you and to do that. I have a lot of great informational videos that help your ownership, and I'll share that as well. So definitely check out that playlist here above. Now, the majority of my viewers on this channel is the N54, N55 guys. I know there's some N52s out there that a lot of this stuff can relate to. Different DIYs relate to all the same 3 Series BMWs. But regardless of the point, try to find a great working BMW, well-maintained, well-documented as far as maintenance goes, someone that took care of the car. There's a lot of great BMW enthusiasts out there that will take care of their BMW. They will do the proper maintenance when stuff comes up, and you will get a great working BMW. Just like what I mentioned, different engines are more reliable than other engines. That's just the fact of it is of how they were engineered. That's just plain and simple. So I'm the type of person that likes any kind of BMW engine that they have came out with. Of course, I'm a BMW Fanatic. Well, guys, there you have it. Reliability as where I stand today. If you have to do some repairs, check out my DIYs. That's gonna save you that much money. It would have been a lot worse if I would have taken my car somewhere and spent $12,000 on labor costs alone. That's exactly why I started this channel, to help you guys out, help the viewers out, to make you have a much better BMW ownership experience. Yeah, definitely some things are gonna pop up. You are gonna have some unreliable things on a BMW, but it's as part of the ownership, and if you like working on cars, then it just makes it that much better. You get to work on it yourself. You get to know that you fixed something right because you did it yourself. You didn't have to rely on somebody else. And it's just a fun car. Well, I am still looking for an N55 car at the moment, while still keeping the N54. So I'll be able to share those N55 videos off to you guys. So I'm excited to do that. It's just hard to find the right specs that I'm trying to do for the N55, but we'll get there and we'll get that N55 up and rolling and sharing those DIYs and videos on top of that platform as well. Big thumbs up in this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a great weekend and happy holidays. Take care.